really good, people. Welcome back to Studios back at me. I was there. I was in there. 2004 Toyota Camry. But I didn't have a Toyota Camry between 2002 and 2006. This video is for you, alright? So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to refill the AC system from freon, alright? Since it's hot this summer, it's hot, alright? So, alright, come on. Thanks for supporting the channel, alright? If you wanna support more the channel, I'm saying, you want me to reach more people, share this video, you know what I'm saying? Share, like, comment, subscribe to the channel since you down there too. All your support go towards better equipment, you know what I'm saying? Like cameras, accessories for the camera, you know what I'm saying? Like tripod, microphone, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? You deserve better, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I want to give you a better quality. I'm already giving you a better quality, you know what I'm saying? So thank you for the support, thank you for the contribution. You want to do more of that, right here there's a super thanks button. Go through that, show your love, you know what I'm saying? Talking about love, shout outs to everybody in the building, even the haters, I love you too. Psych. Shout outs to everybody in the building, from Japan to Taiwan, you know what I'm saying? Philippines, Italy, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, everybody, the States, Greenland, India, even Germany, everybody in the building, alright? So let's do that. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do it. Come on. Show you how to do. Come on. Waka waka. Yeah. Come over here. This is one of them. Okay. Just remove that. Let me get. This is one of them, alright? I think this is the high port. It's gonna tell you. It looks like this is the high port. The high port is always bigger than the post. That one right there is the low side. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard though, post, but yeah, we gotta remove that cap too. Coming through here. This cap right here. Okay. Now remove that. It's gonna tell you right there L, which means lower port or lower side. High side. The lower one. Alright, let's connect the machine. I'll show you this little baby. This is the cool tech. Yada yada yada. See the name right there. Did you see this right here? This is the low port. The low for the low side, the high side. Okay. It doesn't matter if you connect the machine first, whatever, outlet 120. 120. Alright. Now blue for the blue, red for the red. That's why you have two colors here. Low, high. Let's put the high here. Make sure this thing is counterclockwise all the way. So you can pull it like that. Put anything in the port, let it go. Wiggle it, make sure it's secure there, then turn it clockwise. It's a safety, you know what I'm saying? Do the same with the low port, low side. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Thing right here, you see the AC and specs. How much you supposed to put in the system. This is the type of 134 mats, 1.32 pounds. That's the minimum. Okay, this machine takes pounds. Okay, we come to the piece right here, turn it on. You see some pressure over there. Okay, high port, lower port, or low port. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is recover, equalize some pressure. Please wait. Clearing progress. Press start. Recover in progress. So whatever it recovers is whatever is in the system. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how much is in there, so it's gonna take a minute. Well, we're waiting for this machine to get the job done. Oh yeah, since you're down there, subscribe to the channel. Right? Subscribe, like, share, comment. You want me to reach more people, like I said before, share this video. Yeah, comment anything you have in mind. Put it in the comment box, alright? Yeah, anything you want to say, you want to talk about anything, put in the comment box. I need all of that. You want to hate, put in the comment box. Pretty much when this needle is at 0, that means, you know, it's over. Alright, this is an old machine, so it's gonna fluctuate. You know what I'm saying? That should be good. Alright, it's gonna go between 70. You see? Now that's good. Alright, good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge it. Nah, not oil. It has oil already. Now remember, it was 1.32. Now we come over here, we put 132. Press start. I have to refill this tank. So what I'm gonna do is menu. There you go, tank refill, yes. Fill in progress. Now I gotta open this one. It seems like it was open all the time. You're not supposed to leave it open. Now it's open. Okay. Here I'm gonna put like 2 pounds. Okay. It's gonna take some time to charge. Maybe. I want to try 1 pound first. It's a 1 pound now. Okay. Let's try it like that. Now put a stop. Your pause. That's it. Yeah. Once you do that, you gotta close this one. Yeah, it was open all the time. Now, close it. Right there. Which I know that. Now, come over here. Charge. No. 132. Start. Charge in progress. Not disturb. You see a needle going up. Good boy. Pause. And it's gonna stop at 132. You know what I'm saying? Because you input 1.32 pounds. 1 pound and 32 ounces to be exact. That's it. Equalize, no. Turn it off. Come over here. Turn it clockwise, then up. Pull this up. Good. Do the same with this guy. There you go. So all you gotta do now is turn on the fan, the AC and all that. High. AC. Cold. Face. Oh yeah. And if you step on the gas pedal, it's gonna get colder because it kick it in more, you know what I'm saying? Yep. It's decent. Alright. So now you know how to do that, alright? If you got the machine though. But this is what happens when you go to the to your auto shop, local auto shop, and request for AC refill. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to support the channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say. You want to hate, put it in the comment box. Let me know. Just put it there. Alright? Shout outs to everybody in the building, even the haters. I love you. Psych, you know the deal. You know what time it is. Shout outs to everybody. India, you know, Germany, Austria, Croatia. Everybody, you know what I'm saying? Greenland, Chile, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, the States, Mexico, Cuba, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic in the building too, Poland, Russia, Ukraine, everybody, alright? You know what time it is. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I like your boy. This is Axtuo. Out.